Love you.
Silver wheels spin round on their way over the mountains. As it chokes and clatters and steams, the train will carry you into your dreams of long journeys, dreams of white hills, dark night. Is the world champion staying away? Donovan lifts his head and says, I'm the world champion. Going to sleep. He closes his eyes. So that means is he asleep? No, he's not. He's got quite a lot again. How many years is it to my birthday?
Give me that.
No, just kick that off.
No, let him off. Let him out.
Nicole, what have you got?
What's that?
Step.